What is sexual harassment? Sexual harassment is an unwelcome sexual behavior that is offensive, humiliating, and intimidating. It can be in any form, either written, verbal, or physical, and it can happen online or even in person. Both men and women can be the victim of sexual harassment. Sexual harassment includes touching, grabbing, making physical moves towards you without your consent, making sexual insults towards you, and many more. Here are the examples of the victim confession that we got from the social media. These are the example of the things that you can do if you are one of the victim of sexual harassment. First, tell the offender that you are uncomfortable with their behavior. Second, talk to the person you trust, like your family or your friends. And lastly, save any evidence that the offender have left, such as comments, notes, or message. Getting justice for sexual assault. As a victim, you have the right to claim justice for yourself. The first step is make a police report. The police report can be made either in English or Bahasa Malaysia. The most important part is not to forget all the details of the harassment that take place, such as what happened, when it happened, where it happened, and who was involved. Second step is the police will investigate the case. Based on the police report you have made, the investigating officer IO will begin an investigation. The Deputy Public Prosecutor DPP will be the one who will determine if there is a case to charge against the perpetrator. Next, the Deputy Public Prosecutor will charge the case. The DPP will charge the defendant if the DPP determines that there is sufficient evidence. In court, the accusation will be read and the defendant will either plead guilty or not guilty. Lastly, trial process will begin. The trial process will begin with the prosecution stage. Following that, the defense lawyer, who is the person defending the accused, will cross-examine the witness. The DPP then re-examines the witness by asking questions, and lastly, the judge will be the one who decides if the accused is guilty or not. Don't be quiet and take actions now.